Okay, this is now the final game for today. Okay, before that po, ito po ang Dolphin League Dabas, the Titos and Titas League po tayo. This game is by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala and Thread the Needles. Sa amin po tayo po dyan ng SBB, ako, Representation, and of course, PSB Basketball League. And final game po today, In-Flights versus PC21 Boys. PC21 Boys. O sir, rebound lang at saka assist ah.
Kain, pakain ka naman.
Ha? O ma'am, hintay mo ko.
Renta yun, pag inantay.
Ay, hindi. Ano?
May waiting charge in country yan.
Ha?
Waiting charge. Per minute, per minute.
Ayos ka, nakaubo.
Sinabi ko Tim Hortons ha. Kasi shoutout, sabi niya, si Tim Hortons, di alam mo yung Tim Hortons, baka si Popoy. Popoy.
Tingnan natin yung headline niya.
Hintay mo ko. Hintay mo ko.
Yung waiting charge, magkano pa? Ay, tara.
Tingnan lang natin. Tapos
Pero kung magpapakain. Ha? Kung magpapakain. Drama. Saan mo pinagditampot yung team mo? Okay ba? Saan mo pinagkukuha? Saan? Okay, final game po tayo between PC21 Boys and of course, ang defending champion, ang In-Flights. Calling now the first five, please. First five po tayo. First five. Okay, calling po. First five. Pumunta na po kayo. First five. This game is brought to you by the following team sponsors. Team LBC ng Padala and of course, ang Thread the Needles. Saan po natin po dyan ang PSBQ Basketball League. Of course, ako representation po for maintaining the league in a good and orderly fashion. Okay, final game for the day na PC21 Boys versus In-Flights. Okay, PC21 Boys po. Ito yung dating sumana po dito dati sa first season ng Aviation Friend League, dubbed as a Flying League. Pero sila pinagbalik po muli po. This time sa kanilang 40s lineup po nila. Okay, first quarter will start right now. Okay, para sa PC21 Boys, si Vivas, si number 6, si number 0, si number 55, at si number 2. Sa impression po ako, si Impress playing gray po tayo, number 24, 4, 55, si number 2, at si number 11. Wala pa si Penyan. Wala pa si Pe. Tsaka si Chris. Tsaka si Salting. Yung mga big man nila, wala pa. Okay, In-Flights and of course, PC21 Boys. Now, start right now. Okay, Villaflor. Gray ball po kagad po. Gray ball. Ako po ng gray ball kagad ng bola. Vince, Villaflor, Mercado, 2 points. Mercado, 2 points. Zero. Power move, no good. One more time, para sa PC21 Boys. Number 55 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 0 again. Muntik na. No jumping. Okay, Bibas. Number 2. Oy! Stepping on the ring ka, boss. Balik muli po sa Graham bola. The score is 2-0. Mercado again. Mercado. Bibos. Abayado. Babayado. Triple team to Rosima. No good. Rebound again by the PC21 Boys. Takuha. Siya na bumagsak. Number 6. Out of bounds. no good. Foul called on Vince. Vince called for the foul. First personal foul po yan. PC21 boys inbounding. Vivas. Number 0. 55 kumuha ng bola to Vivas again. Number 6 Rosario. Rosario driving strong. Banging bodies. Oy! Traveling violation sabi ng referee. Traveling violation called on Vivas. Balik muli sa Gray ang bola. Lokias binabantay si number 24. Rosma pops up for 3. No good. Number 0 kick pass kay number 55. 55 shake and fake. Nice one. Number 6 no good. Wala pa rin. Number 11. Number 2. Number 6, 2 points. 2 all po tayo. Nandun si number 6 muli. Number 6 muli, back-to-back field goals pa number 6. 4-2 lamang po ang PC21 boys. Mercado, pops up. Wala. Rosario, dish of pass. Ayun na. 2 points. Lokias, 2 points. Lokias, 2 points. Pops up, Vince. No good. Uy! Pushing foul called. Pushing foul called on Vince, number 11, ng influx for the inbound. Vince, number 2, pops up. Wala, in and out. Oy, foul again. Who's foul rep? Pushing foul called on 55. Number 11. Binababa ang bola. 6-2. Lamang po ang PC21 boys ng 4. Oy! Traveling violation. Balik muli po ang bola sa in-flight. Villaflor. Number 24. Vince. Vince again. No good. Vivas. What the play by Vivas? Nice swipe away by Lokias. Nandun naman si Mercado. Abatayo, banging bodies, no good. Abatayo muli, 2 points, Abatayo. Abatayo, 2 points, 6-8-4, laman po ng aw-apat ang PC21 boys. Vivas. Lokias, no good. Rebound, Abatayo. Palpal. Nice play by number 0, Rosario, nice dish of pass. Ang ganda. And change back po tayo. First quarter, halfway na po tayo. The Suns 11-4 at 7-point advantage na being posted by PC21 boys. PC21 yan, dito na po tayo yun. Okay, si Sir Philip, si Abatayo, of course si Jamoyot, si number 8, nandyan din po. And of course si Ian, nandyan din, si Villarosa. Sa kabila po si Rosario, Si Lokia, si number 24, si number 0 pa rin. Nandiyan pa rin si number 0. At war, si number 20. Aba tayo. Philip for 3. No good. Rebound, pero nice! Hustle play by, Ian. Again. Pops up. No good. Rebound by one by the blue shirts. Rosario. Ingat boss, ingat. Ingat. Jamuyot, foul called. Number 3 called for the foul. Jamuyot, number 3 called for the foul. Jamuyot shooting for 2. First shot, it's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Mission Jamuyot. Number 2, Jamuyot 42, it's out also. Rosario! 2 points, Rosario. Philip. Jamuyot. In and out. Wala pa rin. Lokias. Lokias, what a pass. Pops up. No good. Jamuyot ang rebound. Nando! Oy! Sila ka nang galing. Balik sa Gray ang bola. Okay, Jamuyot, number 42. Abatayo, Philip for 3. Bang! 3 points, Philip. Philip, naka 3 points po. Number 6. Number 6. Bantay sarado ni Philip. Number 0. Oh! Traveling si number 0 ng PC21 Boys. Traveling variation call on PC21 Boys against Ian. Ian minamadali ang bola. Kinakamata ang bola ngayon. Philip. Ian again. Ian. Philip again for 3. No good. One more time kay Philip. Out of bounds. Rosario, no good. Tama tayo. Villanueva, Ian. Naku, sayang, malalim. Foul! Labat Jamuyot, called for a foul. Jamuyot, pushing foul called. Balik po rin po sa PC21 ng bola. Okay, PC21, nice cut by Walter, wala. Abatayo, naka-rebound, dinakawan. 2 points, number 24. Philip 5. Philip, 6 seconds away to Villanueva. Ian, what a play. Hindi, Abatayo nandun. Muntik pa. Okay, laman po ng kalahati ang Team PC21 Boys, 14-7 at 1:13 remaining sa ating ligang ito. First quarter pa is drawing to a close. Abatayo, first shot. Tapos. Abatayo, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Abatayo, second free throw. Jumpers ready. Wala. Jamuyot. Loko ng Loki sa bola. Lokias muli, naka-rebound. Walang pinasahan. Lokyas against Jumuyot. Walang pinasahan din. Rosario, training job, good. Manapat. Nice play. And one play sana. Mahalo again from Jumuyot. 42 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter, going to a close already. Laman po ng 7 ang PC21 boys. First shot, no good. Second throw. Second throw coming up. Second free throw coming up. Eto na. Wala. Rebound by number 0 against sa Batayo. Malalim, pasok. Nakabawi si number 3. Abatayo, palpal, and one play naman binigay. Abatayo shooting for the bonus free throw. The score right at 16-9. Okay, 16-10. Laman po ng 6 ang PC21 boys. Lokyas, Sigyag. Nice pass to number 0, Lokyas. Position for 3. Number 0. No good. Nice one, Abatayo. Kick pass kay Philip. Foul! 3 seconds. Penalty situation, Team PC21 boys. 3 seconds remaining. 16-10 ang score po natin. First quarter, patapos na po. 5, first shot. Pasok. 5, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Philip 5, jumpers ready po tayo. Ouch. No good. Okay, that's it. Okay, end of first quarter po tayo. Laman po ang PC21 boys po ng 5. 16-11. Magbabalik po tayo po sa ating second quarter action. You're watching right now PC21 boys versus In-Flights. This game's brought by SBB Pilipinas o SPB ako representation, MPSBQ, and of course Thread the Needles and Team LBC. Hali ng padala, saan po natin po dyan. Ito po ang Doha Friendly League featuring the Titos and Titas or aka Portis Division po ng Doha Friendly League. Maraming salamat po. Back to the ball game po tayo. Okay, in Rosima for the inbound. Okay, hindi pala po. Si Lokyas pala po ang inbounding. Lokyas number 55, inbounding. Okay, number 11. Vivas, Lokyas for 3. Nope. Rebound, Abatayo. Abatayo nagmamadali. Abatayo, lost the ball. Good ball. Two points sa Abatayo. Don't look now, at 3-point advantage lang. Mula 7 po yan. Vivas. Vivas. Running shot, no good. Mercado 2 points. Mercado 2 points. 16-14, 16-15 rather. Lokyas. Foul. Rosima called for the foul, holding foul violation. Side throw lang po tayo sa ilalim kasi down. Okay. Number 24, impounding. Vivas, number 0, 2 points. Lamang muli po ng tatlo ang team PC21 boys. Vince again, driving the ball. Rosma. Mercado. Hoy! Stepping ka, boss. Dilaw po, palala po, dilaw po tayo, dilaw. Dilaw po to tayo, sabi doon na rin mga referee. Out of bounds. Same ball. Number 0. Oh, stepping on the line. Balik puli po sa gray ang bola. Sir Lumawag is watching also. Balik po tayo. Sir Owens is watching. Si Lumawag is watching also. Mercado. Abatayo. Kick pass. Pops up. No good. Lokias. Foul goal. Foul number 11 called for the foul. Number 11. Number 11, dun daw po ang bola sa balayo. Number 11, inbound din po para po sa PC21 boys. Hindi po pala si number 0 po in for the inbound. Vivas to receive the ball. Okay. Vivas dribbling the ball. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul call. Holding foul call for sure. Hinawak ang kamay. Third personal call po siya. Slope. 11. Dish pass. Number 0. 2 points. Nope. Good ball. Okay, change pa po tayo. The score is 22-17. Umalago muli po ang score po ng PC21 boys to 5 points again. 22-17 po. Mercado for the inbound. Villanueva Ian. Ian again. Pops up 5. Malakas. Balik po sa PC21 boys ang bola. PC21 boys muli po ang bola. No good. Number 0. No good. Number 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound para 1 by P. Blue Boys. No, bis traveling pala. Sorry, traveling daw pala. Traveling ko. Iyan. Mercado for 3. Nope. Manapat. Mercado again. Pili for 3. No good. Two points. Again, putong muli po ang kalamangan muli po ng C21 Boys. Ian, no good. Jamuyot, no good. Nice rebound. 2 points, number 11, Divas. Laman na po ng shampoo ang team PC21 Boys 26-17. Still completed. 2-on-1 situation. Wala. Foul. Okay, time up po na po ang in-flights. Nag-time up po ang in-flights. Back to the ball game tayo. Back to ball. Wala. 3-on-1 situation. Villanueva! 2 points Villanueva. Number 2. Wala. Number 3. Slip away. Same ball. 2-6 remaining. 0. Vivas. Rosario pops up. Cross pass Rosario. Nice pass, ang galing. Palpal. Same ball. 1:44 remaining. Number 6. Nice one by number 11. Number 11, 2 points para sa PC21 Boys. 1:23 remaining. 1:21 remaining. Manapat. No good. 1:14 remaining. (106) Block shot. Wala pa. Jamuyot. Nakita ka doon, boss. Kita. Jamuyot, 3 personal foul po. No good. Foul. Ano ko? Stepping on the line. Tumapak sa linya. Mercado, 5. 5. Mercado for 3. Nope. Rebound. Number 3. Number 11. Number 11. PC21. Londaran. Number 11. Bishop. Number 6. Pops up. Wala. Number 11. Palpal. Good ball. Same ball. 10 seconds remaining. Nice D by Manapat. Nice D by Manapat. Manapat for 3. Nope. Okay, that's it. Halftime po tayo. The score is 28-19. Magbabalik po kami po an 11-point lead. Sorry. A 9-point lead advantage pa rin po ng PC21 Boys. Okay, balik-balik po tayo. Second half po tayo yun. Now, change court po tayo. Vince, nope, it's not Vince. Si Ross Sima po ang mag-inbound po para sa in-flights. Vince. Kumat. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Again. Lokias. Out of bounds. Walang pinasahan. 9:32 remaining. 28-19 ang score. Mercado. No good. Rebound. Nice one. Si Abs. Aba tayo 2 points. Walter. Walang pinasahan na naman si Walter. Balik muli po sa Graham Bola. Running po muli po tayo. On the run po ang gray shirts. Aba tayo na naman. Floater shot, 2 points. Back-to-back field goals. Aba tayo again. Chopping the lead down to 5 points. Muli po tayo at 8:53 remaining sa ating po nila final game po natin between In-Flights and PC21 Boys. Number 0 bumawi. Binato. Mercado, nakuha. Nice. Abatayo. 2 points na lang. Back field goals by Abatayo. Si Abatayo, literal, binubuot niya po ngayon ng In-Flights. Mag-isa. Back-to-back. Lokias for 3. Ayaw. Lokias. Pinasa. Walang pinasahan si Lokias. Vince. Rosma. Vince. No good. Abatayo na naman. Abatayo. Driving. Pops up. Back field goals. 4 na sunod yan. Pinakawalan ng Abatayo sa quarter na ito. 7:54 remaining. 30-27 ang score po natin. Walter, double team. Vivas, Walter, pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Up. Nag-scapple. Number 25 called for the foul ng in-flights. 25 for personal fouls, 1 for graduate. 24. Nando, nice hustle play. Nakuha. Rosma. Mercado, 2 points. Okay, nagtama po. What a rally being displayed now by Team In-Flights. An 8-0 blast done by In-Flights from the high of 9 points kanina down to 1 point na lang po ang kalamangan ng PC21 boys. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo at 7:15 remaining, 30-20 na score po natin. Rosario. Lokias. No good. Rebound again. Now for the lead. Dako, malakas ang pasa. Good ball. Nice hustle play by the gray shirts. Nice hustle play ni Rosima. Sa tagpong yun. Vince for 3. Tapos. Rebound battle won by the gray shirts. Mali pinasahan. Abatayo, pinabantayan. Abatayo, sinabayan. No good. Foul call na Abatayo. .6:34 remaining, third quarter action. Nakakalahati na po. 30-20 na score po natin. Rosario shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo at 6:34 remaining. 6:34 remaining, muli po tayo. Rosario second throw. Wala. Meron na pala ngayon. Okay, laman po ng dalawa ang team PC21 boys. Nakahinga po ng konti ang PC21 boys. Mercado. Mercado muli. Pops up for 3. Bang! Mercado, 3 points. Jolen, sana hindi ko lumuha program. Mercado. Number 24, pops up. Bako, sayang. Abatayo, naka-rebound. Nice yun sana, hindi ko foul. Pushing foul call to number 2. Rosma. Wala. Ayun, Mercado. Wala rin. Abatayo, palpal. May foul. Abatayo, shooting for 2. Abatayo, number 2, shooting for 2. 31-30 tong score po natin at 5:22 remaining, third quarter action. Abatayo, second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Abatayo, second throw, jumpers ready. 5:22 remaining. Abatayo, no goal, na. Mercado, Vince. Abatayo na naman. 2 points again. Abatayo still on third quarter na po. Wala pa rin po siyang mintes. Uy! Foul call. Hawakan. Mercado called for a foul. Uy! Pinato, okay, 2 on 1. Mercado, 2 points. 31-37, 31-37. Balangas. Again, on the run ng gray shirts. 2 points. Lokias. Lokias again for 3. No good. Foul! Martin Evaristo. Martin Evaristo.
Martin?
Oh, Evaristo po. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Okay, the score right is 31-39. Don't look now. PC 21 boys is trailing by 8 points. At 4:13 remaining sa ating score po ito. For 13 remaining po, PC 21 boys trailing behind by 8 points po tayo yun. Same ball po tayo para si PC 21 boys. Uy! Backing violation. Backing violation talaga. Backing violation called Vince. In flights. Commanding lead over 8 points. Vince again, running shot. No good. Nice rebound sa kanya. Batayo, pero di bumabot. Number 0, running shot. Wala. Nagmintes. Number 2, Lokias. Number 0 again, Jolens. Wala. Mercado. Vince. Wala. Abatayo. Tumatak sa linya. Rosario, no good. Number 0, wala pa rin. Number 24, wala pa rin. Apatayo naka-rebound. Apatayo. Oy, foul call. Pwede naman katiyo kay dito. Di naman wala naman restriction naman. Yan siya ngayon. Mercado 3 points. Mercado 3 points, 2:24 remaining third quarter action drawing to a close. Patapos na po ang third quarter action. 0. Nanakawan. Nanakawan din. Rosario pops up. Wala. Offline. Manapat. A rebound. 5. Binato. Ayun kay Philip. Villanueva. 2 points. Lokias. Walter, wala. Rebound na tayo na naman. Villanueva, 2-0. Okay, 2 points Philip. 15 seconds remaining. Rosario. Hoy! Ano yun? Na-injury. Na-injury yung sapatos. Natanggal yung suwelas. Iswe. Three points. Philip. Vince. Philip again. Philip. Iyan for 2. Jamoyot. 2 points Jamoyot. Oy. Jamoyot 2 points. Pops up. Yes, sir. Pop the glass. Lokias, 3 points. Okay, that's it. Okay, after 3 quarters po, naman po ng labisa ang in-flights. At yet to return now, nasira sa sapatos sa kasi. Okay, final quarter, final 10 minutes start right now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, stay fourth quarter action na po tayo. I think isang player po ng PC21 boys po have to retire na. Nasira kasi kayong sapatos po. Okay, yan po si Mr. number 2. Okay, to Mr. Vivas. Lokias na naman for 3. Bang! Lokias, 3 points. This is still everybody's ball game pa rin po ha, mga kabayan ko. Vince. Palpal. Again, Lokias. Lokias. 2 points again. Back-to-back field si Lokias. Kanina, unti. 3 points ni Lokias plus 5 points ni Lokias kagad, fourth quarter. Bumanat. No good. Wala pa rin. Rosario. Number 0. Wala. Mercado. Palpal. Pero may foul. Alam ko nakita ko na magbiro si Lokias eh. Kaya yung anong liga.
Shooter yan.
Oh, shooter kasi. Nakita ko yung Lokias din eh. Pero kung nagkapagduro kay Aisun niya, sa yung panggabing liga. 5 shooting for 2. Sir, mami. Sir, later, sir. Later. Thank you. Later. Second shot, Mercado. Second shot. 8:45 remaining. Pops up. Jacking for the rebound. Ang Batayo, wala. Ayan, Rosario naman, Rosario. Oy! Blocking foul. Again, tuloy po tayo. Vivas. Pops up. Nope. That could bring the house down. Vince. Pops up. Pasok. Ang batayo naman ang bumana. Vivas. Pumasok kay Vivas. Traveling violation called on number 0 para sa PG21 boys. 7:39 remaining sa ating game clock. Final quarter po tayo yun. Abatayo. Abatayo. Hounded. Abatayo muli. Abatayo. Double team. Ayun. Wala. Abatayo. Wala pa rin. Mercado naman. 2 points Mercado. Warning for delay, ha. Boy Inc is watching. Rosario for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Try usage ang mukit na. Mercado. Vince. Abatayo. Mercado. Wala. Good ball. Bang! 3 points by Vince. Again, 13 naman kalamangan muli po ng airport ng in-flights. The Great Church leading again. Rosario, no good. Rebound battle won by the Great Shirts. Manapat. Mercado pops up. Bang! Lokias. 2 points Lokias. Lokias 2 points. Abatayo. Mercado. Abatayo again. Nanakawan. Kapus. Vince. For 3. Bang! Sweet shot by Vince. Napaka-sweet naman nun. Sweet shot. 4:57 remaining, 42-60, labing 6 po kalamangan. Number 0, driving strong, pops up, nope. Rebound by the Gray Shirts. Rosma. Mercado 2 points. Rosario, no good, and rebound by 0. Out of bounds. Balik po sa gray ang bola. Gray Shirts, muli po tayo, Gray Shirts. Vince, Mercado. Number 11 yung bola. Vince. Rosma, no good. Lokias. Nilabas muna. Hoy! Still completed. Counter still sana, hindi pumabra. 28 remaining. Rosma. Rosma, 3 points. Number 0. Number 2, pops up for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa blue ang bola. Rosario. Pops up. Nope. Rosario again. In and out. Rosma. Aba tayo. Rosma again. Wala. Vince. Aba tayo. No good. Out of bounds. Hindi na control. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. The score is 44-65 at 2:03 remaining at 21 point lead. Blast po ang ginawa na po ng Rosario. Lokias. Wala kinapos. 2 points. Number 11, 2 points. Lokias. Nilabas muna. Rosario for 3. Nope. Jamuyot, 5. Ha? .5. 5, 2 points. 51 seconds remaining. Lokias. Malakas. Okay, safety basket na po tayo. Iyan, wala. Palpal. In and out. 2 points. Number 3. Jamuyot. Wala pa rin. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Okay, that concludes na. Finals na po natin, 50-67. Maraming salamat po again. See you po for tomorrow. For next week po tayo sa ating Girlfriend League, dubbed as the Fortis League po tayo or Titos and Titos League. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.